How to fix snap camera currently running on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on any Android phone. First just open settings and then scroll down until you find your apps, and now click apps again, and here just type snapshots and then click storage and click clear cache and then click force stop here. Now just go to permissions and check camera here, maybe you'll find it like that, and then click allow, and then just close all the applications in the background and go back, try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just restart your phone and update your snapshots, and that's it. Don't forget and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.